Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my channel of healthy food recipes. I hope you people are feeling very well. Our today's recipe is very delicious and one of my hot favorite, that's chicken manchurian. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel of healthy food recipes, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks. So let's have a look at the ingredients. The ingredients are very simple. These are chicken boneless, ginger garlic paste frozen 1 to 2 cubes, capsicum and bell pepper, corn flour, it's totally optional. If you require it for thickness, you can mix it with water. Now we need 3 sauces, that's soy sauce, chili sauce and white synthetic vinegar. The next we require salt and black pepper as per your taste, and tomato ketchup. Here we are using simple tomato ketchup. Now marinate chicken for half an hour. After marinating half an hour, it will look like this. Now in order to make the chicken stock, adding marinated chicken in almost 2 to 3 cups of water. Mix it well and heat the flame to full to make the chicken stock. Now bring it to boil for almost 15 to 20 minutes and remove the chicken cube pieces from stock after 15 minutes. Now take another pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Here I am using frozen ginger garlic paste cubes. So adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste frozen. Now give light brown color to ginger garlic paste. After a few minutes, and then start adding chicken cubes which we have removed from chicken stock. Now adding tomato paste in it. Now adding salt, black pepper and red chili powder as per your taste, almost 1 teaspoon. When you see that the water is totally dried up, now start adding capsicum cubes in it. Toss it well. Now adding half cup of tomato ketchup in it and mix it well. Check out its thickness. When the bubbles come, start adding half cup of chicken stock. Now for few minutes we don't need to add corn flour in it, add it's already damn thick. So our yummy manchurian is done. When the bubbles come out, serve hot with boiled rice or egg fried rice. So if you people like my recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks.